Using Buy Now Pay Later on Shopee is a convenient and flexible payment option that allows you to purchase items and pay for them at a later time. To get started, you need to have a Shopee account and be at least 18 years old. First, download the Shopee app and log into your account. Browse through the various products available on the platform and select the item you wish to purchase. Make sure the item is eligible for Buy Now Pay Later, as not all sellers or products qualify for this payment option. Once you have selected your item, proceed to checkout and select Buy Now Pay Later as your payment method. You will be redirected to a page where you can review the payment terms and conditions. The payment terms typically include the total amount due, the payment due date, and any applicable interest or fees. After reviewing the payment terms, click on the Confirm button to proceed with the purchase. You will then receive an order confirmation and a payment schedule outlining the payment due dates and amounts. To make a payment, log into your Shopee account and navigate to the My Orders section. Select the order you wish to pay for and click on the Pay Now button. You can then choose from various payment methods such as credit or debit card, online banking, or e-wallets. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid any late payment fees or interest charges. You can also track your payment history and schedule in the My Orders section of your Shopee account. Best practices for using Buy Now Pay Later on Shopee include making timely payments, reviewing the payment terms and conditions carefully, and only purchasing items that you can afford to pay for. By following these steps and best practices, you can enjoy a convenient and hassle-free shopping experience on Shopee using Buy Now Pay Later.